Many scholars have researched comparison of conventional and Islamic bank system with regards to their performance from time to time. This study will present a comprehensive comparative analysis of housing financing products that offered by RHB Bank, especially conventional housing and Islamic home financing. The analysis evaluates key dimensions including financing structure, interest, and profit rate, risk allocation, contractual obligation, regulatory and Sharia compliance requirement, and also customer value proportion. With this study also provide a detailed comparative analysis of RHB Bank that conventional housing loans and Islamic home financing products with a specific focus on financing structure, overall cost of financing, applicable fees and charges, repayment and financing flexibility, and the extent of Sharia compliance in order to offer a clear and balanced assessment of each product's feature, customer sustainability, and value proposition. Both of RHB Bank conventional housing loans and Islamic home financing products demonstrate competitive and comparable effective financing costs when assessed holistically, reflecting similar pricing level after considering profit and interest rates, associate fees, and total repayment commitments. The key difference between RHB Bank conventional housing loans and Islamic home financing products in their life financing structure, whereby the conventional loans are based on interest-bearing mechanism, while Islamic home financing adopts profit-based structure that comply with Sharia principles. The sustainability of housing financing product that offered by RHB Bank difference across customer segment with income level, financial commitments, and personnel of religions. Value that playing a key role in determining whether conventional housing loans or Islamic home financing better meet individual customer needs. The selection between RHB Bank conventional housing loans and Islamic home financing products depends on customer individual financing needs, risk tolerance, and ethical or Sharia-related preference. RHB Bank Berhad is one of the Malaysia leading financial institutions that offering a comprehensive range of conventional and Islamic banking products through an integrated banking framework that caters to diverse customer segments to support financial needs and aligns with both regulatory requirements and Sharia principles. Islamic banking products also offer through its subsidiary RHB Islamic Bank Berhad, which is that operate under a dedicated Islamic bank framework to provide a comprehensive range of Sharia compliance financial solutions. RHB groups offer a wide range of banking and financing services through its various business units such as retail banking. RHB Bank Retail Banking Division provides a comprehensive of financial products and services designed to meet the desire of needs individual customer. This includes saving and current accounts, fixed deposit, personal financing, home and vehicles loans, credit cards, and digital banking solution, all tailored to deliver convenience, accessibility, and value to customer. RHB Bank Corporate and Investment Banking Division provides a comprehensive range of financial solutions designed to support the growth and strategic objective of corporate, institutional, and government clients. This division offers services including corporate financing, project and structure financing. Business and transaction banking is dedicated to provide a tailored financial solution to small and medium-sized enterprise, commercial businesses, and corporate clients that helping them manage daily operation and drive business growth. This division also offers a wide range of services including business account, trade and and supply chain financing, cash management, payment and collection solution. RHB Islamic Bank Berhad, which offer a comprehensive range of financial products and solutions that strictly to Islamic principle. This division caters to individual, SME and corporate clients that providing products such as Islamic home financing, personal financing, business financing, deposit accounts, investment account, trade and supply chain solution, and wealth management services structured under Sharia compliant contract like murabaha, ijarah and musyarakah. The objective of this study is to conduct a comprehensive comparison between RHB Bank's conventional home loans and Islamic home financing products that offer under its retail banking division, focus on critical factors that influence customer decision making. Firstly, to identify and analyze the key factors that influence customer selection of home financing products that offered by RHB Bank within its retail banking division, taking into consideration a range of financial, personal, and ethical considerations. This also includes examining how interest rates for conventional home loans and profit rates for Islamic home financing affect the affordability and repayment capacity of the impact that associate fees and charges on the total cost of financing, the flexibility of repayment terms and refinancing option, and the specific benefits and incentives offered by each product. Secondly, to determine the most suitable home financing option offered by RHB Bank for different consumer groups within its retail banking segment, including public servants, private sector employees, and self-employed individuals, by assessing their unique financial profit, income stability, and repayment capacity. This involves the analysis how conventional home loans and Islamic home financing products cater to the specific needs of each group in terms of interest or profit rate, fees, repayment flexibility, and eligibility criteria. Next, we move to the scope of analysis. This study focused on conducting a comprehensive comparison between RHB Bank conventional home loans and Islamic home financing products offered under its retail banking division, with the aim of evaluating their key differences and similarities across multiple critical dimensions. Firstly, contract and legal structure. In RHB Bank retail banking division, the contract and legal structure of home financing product is a critical aspect that governs the right, responsibility, and obligation for both the banks and the customer. For conventional home loans, the agreements are structured around interest-bearing contracts, clearly defining the repayment schedule, interest calculation, and late payment penalty. Secondly, flexibility and repayment feature. RHB Bank's retail banking division offer a range of flexibility and repayment products to accommodate the diverse financial needs and repayment capacity of the customer. Thirdly, effective cost metrics, rates, fees, and penalty. In RHB Bank retail banking division also, understanding the effective cost of the home financing is critical for customers to make informed borrowing decisions. The effective cost of a conventional home loans includes the interest rates, processing and administrative fees, late payment penalty, and any changes associated with early settlement or refinancing, all of which contribute to the total loss of financing over the loan. For comparing financial products is a critical step for customer when selecting housing financing option from RHB Bank retail banking division. as it enables them to make informed decisions that align with their financial goals, repayment capacity, and personal value. Firstly, informed customer decision making. In the context of RHB Bank Retail's banking division, promoting informed consumer decision making is essential to ensure that customers select housing financial products that align with their financial goals, repayment capacity, and personal value. By providing clear and transparent information on conventional home loans and Islamic home financing options, including interest and profit rates, fee, repayment flexibility, contract terms, and Sharia compliance, RHB Bank enables customers to evaluate the advantages, limitation, and total cost implication of each product. Secondly, transparency in cost and risk. Transparency in cost and risk is a fundamental principle in RHB Bank retail banking operation, particularly in the provision of home financing product. Ensure that customers fully understand the financial and contractual obligation associated with their borrowing decision. Thirdly, compliance with religious and ethical preference. RHB Bank recognizes that the importance of home financing product with customer religious belief that ethical value, particularly through its Islamic bank offering under RHB Islamic Bank Berhad. For customers who prioritize Sharia compliance, the bank provides home financing solution structured under contract such as Murabaha, Ijara, and Musharaka, which ensure that all financial transactions are conducted in accordance with Islamic principles, including the prohibition of interest, which is riba, and the promotion of risk sharing and ethical profit arrangement. Fourthly, evaluation of product feature and flexibility. In RHB Bank Retail Banking Division, the evaluation products feature and flexibility is a key aspect in assessing the sustainability and competitive of its home financing product.
Moving on to our research approach, this slide outlines the methodology we use for RHB Bank. Our primary focus was on comparing two main products. First is RHB Housing Loan and RHB Islamic Home Financing. To ensure a fair and consistent evaluation, we compared them based on key parameters such as interest and profit rates, fees, benefits, and overall terms. All data was sourced directly from official RHB Group website to ensure accuracy. In this presentation, I will explain the conventional home financing options offered by RHB Bank. Conventional home financing works based on a traditional lending system where interest is charged on the outstanding loan balance. First is RHB My One Full Flexi Home Loan offers high flexibility as any extra money deposited can reduce interest and can be withdrawn anytime. Second is RHB My One Smart Home Loan is a semi-flexi option where extra payments help reduce interest but withdrawals are more restricted compared to the full flexi loan. Lastly is RHB Green Home Financing is designed for eco-friendly properties with green certifications and it usually offers lower interest rates and faster approval. Overall, these options allow customers to choose a home financing loan or plan that best suits their financial needs and lifestyle. Next, we look at Islamic home financing or Islamic housing financing by RHB. Unlike conventional loans, this product is Sharia compliant and does not involve in element of riba or interest. Instead, it is based on the concept of trade, selling and buying at a profit or partnership. There are three main options under this financing. Firstly is RHB My One Equity Home Financing I. This product uses the concept of musyarakah, mutahasikah or reduced partnership. In short, the customer and the bank own the property together in partnership. Over time, the customer will buy the bank's share little by little through monthly installments until the property becomes the full property of the customer. Second one is RHB Mawar Property Financing I. For customers who want a fixed profit rate and peace of mind, this product is very suitable. It uses the concept of commodity murabahah, tawarruk. Here, the bank buys commodities and resells them to the customer at a price plus an agreed profit markup price. Lastly is RHB Home Financing I, Green. This is a special Sharia compliant version for eco-friendly homes. Interestingly, this product offers a high financing margin of up to 95%, and this is already included with takaful or insurance coverage. Overall, RHB Islamic Financing not only offers a usury-free alternative, but also provides a variety of flexible structures according to the needs of customer homeowners.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nadia and I will be presenting the comparison and analysis section. In this section, we will compare RHB conventional housing loan and RHB Islamic home financing. The comparison will focus on two main aspects, which are interest or profit rates and fees involved in both housing loan products. Firstly, we look at the interest and profit rate comparison. For the RHB conventional housing loan, the interest rate of a range from approximately 4.60% to 4.75% per annum, depending on the loan amount. The rate is floating and based on the bank's reference rate, which means monthly repayments may fluctuate with market conditions. On the other hand, RHB Islamic Home Financing offers a profit rate of around 4.55% per annum. Although it is also a floating rate, the financing follows Sharia compliant principles, where interest is prohibited and replaced with profit-based mechanisms such as tawarruk. Overall, the difference in rates between the two products is relatively small. However, the main distinction lies in the financing structure, where conventional loans are interest-based, while Islamic financing is profit-based. For fees, both RHB conventional and Islamic home financing have largely similar cost structures. There is no annual fee for both products, and processing fees are usually waived depending on promotional offers. Legal and valuation fees are paid by the customers in both cases. The main difference lies in late payment charges, where conventional home loans apply interest on overdue amounts, while Islamic home financing uses ta'wid, which is Sharia compliant. In terms of early settlement, conventional loans may impose penalties, whereas Islamic home financing usually does not, subject to RHB's terms and conditions. Overall, fee differences between the two options are minimal and mostly related to structure rather than total cost. Both financing options have similar fees, with differences mainly in late payment and early settlement charges due to Sharia compliance. After discussing the fee structure for both conventional and Islamic home financing, I will now pass the presentation to the next presenter, who will explain the benefit of each product. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Imam Bishar Mubarak. In my part, I want to present about the overview of benefit for RHB conventional. Moving on the benefit of RHB conventional products, one of the primary advantage is the competitive interest rates of a particularly higher loan amount. Customers also enjoy flexible repayment option to suit their financial needs. In terms of protection, there is an optional mortgage reducing assurance available. However, overview of benefit for RHB Islamic. Now let's look at the Islamic home financing benefit. This product is fully Sharia compliant based on the tawarruk concept. The key highlight here is the transparent profit calculation, which ensure clarity for the customer. For protection, customer can opt for the mortgage reducing term takaful (TT). Similar to the conventional side, any rewards or cashback are provided on a limited promotional basis. Okay, now let's look about the condition and technical analysis, repayment period, and eligibility criteria. Let's look at the standardized terms and condition. The maximum tenure for a post is up to 35 years or until borrower reach age 70. The eligibility require a minimum age 18 and minimum annual income 18,000. The margin of financing MOF is available up to 19% of the property value. Analysis of terms and condition. This slide provides a technical comparison of the two structures. While conventional is interest-based and Islamic is Sharia compliant through commodity mudharabah. A major safety feature of the Islamic option is the ceiling profit rate around 10.25, which protect borrower from the extreme market highs. Furthermore, late payment charge in the Islamic structure known as ta'wid are non-compounded, whereas conventional rate charge are compounded.
Hi, I'm Balkish. I would like to talk about discussion. Okay, in RHB provides a range of housing loan products designed to meet the needs of different consumer groups. For high-income consumers, the RHB conventional housing loan is the most suitable option as it offers competitive interest rates for larger financing amounts and greater flexibility in repayment. Meanwhile, for student and low-income consumer, RHB Islamic home financing is more appropriate due to its transparent profit factor and practicable monthly repayments and Sharia compliant features. For frequent travelers, housing loan products do not offer specific travel-related benefit. Therefore, the choice of financing should be based on factors such as cost and financing, repayment flexibility, and individual financial repayments. Alright, in conclusion, RHB Bank provides both conventional and Islamic home financing options that are competitive and designed to meet different consumer needs. The main difference between these two products lies in their financing structure, where conventional housing loans are interest-based, while Islamic home financing is profit-based and fully Sharia compliant. For high-income consumers, the RHB conventional housing loans is more suitable due to its flexibility and competitive rates. On the other hand, low-income or Sharia-conscious consumer may benefit more from RHB Islamic home financing, as it offers a transparent and ethical alternative without significantly higher costs. Therefore, consumers should carefully choose a housing loan by considering their financial capability, risk tolerance, and personal value.